Time for an update on the carport to garage conversion. Got my header all framed up and finished. Let me show you around a little bit more though. Finished filling in the wood over to the house. Left enough room for the sheathing. Probably have to do some things to even it up when I get to there. See how it's coming right to the edge. I had to do that to fill in the gap for the gutter to have less to fill in, less goop to shoot, less wood to put in. But I'm gonna have to figure out a way to, make that all uniform across. I might just take a regular old cheap OSB and put it down and then put my other sheathing on top of it. That way we'll bring it all congruent. And then over here, there was no way to get screws in there, so I used liquid nails. And I had some concrete garbage down here, some clumps of concrete. I didn't feel like chipping them out, so I just shot a bunch of liquid flashing on top of it. And I will caulk in and fill in all this right here. I might actually shoot liquid nails in that gap right there. That way these boards not only are adhered to this steel post, but also into the brick, and I think that'll make it super solid as well. Okay, moving right along. Been doing some sheathing here, but not just ordinary sheathing. I'm using Georgia Pacific force field sheathing. Now this stuff about half the price of zip systems, and there's a reason for it as well, because the protection on the outside is a whole lot thinner, and that's not necessarily a bad thing though. For my application, it's just fine, but there are a lot of places where there were tears in the outer protective with raw wood exposed, so I came back with my flashing compound and used a putty knife and made sure all the places where the wood was exposed got gooped over. And there's also all my screw holes where the screws went in. I made sure to go over that as well. But it's just fine. The rubberized roofing compound, and then over here getting started on a window, and that's all looking good. I'm real happy with the way it's coming along. And over there I've got another sheet ready to go on, and that's going to go above this window. Okay, and nothing more to show you on the back here. And the reason there's nothing more to show you on the back is because I haven't done anything new on the back. So you can look at my other video right there if you are so inclined. Anyway, that's an update on the carport to garage conversion.